Oo, yan. Baka pag ako'y kumuha, sabihin mo, $5. $5. Pag ako'y kumuha ng $5. Wala na, wala. Ha? Ayaw na nila ilang partido sa Canada. Ikaw, nag-exit ka. Ang exit ko, pinagpuluan lang eh.
Hello. Alright guys, first five. Wala nang warm up. Sado naman kayo. Ay, kasama pala. Dahil pasabi ko sana, tabi mo sa akin. Alright. Hello, hello.
Hello!
Ano to kabila? Good luck? Good luck?
Good luck. Oh, ito na, si Patigas. Pards, welcome back.
Meron pang Viva Max.
Welcome back. Ayan, buti pinayagan ka after 2 years.
Nakakabol pa natin, Viva Max.
Bing Bang Boys versus Good Luck. Ang tagal dito niyan. Yan ano. Pards, mataas ang offer namin dyan. Hoy, mataas ang offer namin dyan. Oo. Okay na. May sentro yung mga kami, wala sentro. Oo. Kami kahit hindi nag-uusap nito, nakakaintindihan kami nito. Okay. Alright. First five. Kita kaya mata niya? Okay, start ang first five. Bing Bang Boys versus Good Luck.
Gaganon mo lang, di ba?
Punta na ang first five sa gitna. Para mapagsimula. Hoy, yung bola! Pwede. Okay, Good Luck versus Bing Bang Boys. Ready for your first five.
Naka-live na ba?
Di ko alam. Siguro,
Bong,
meron,
Bong.
meron. May ilan ko na.
Ayan, maaga.
Chris, ikaw muna.
Okay. Rebound by number 14. Yes, basket count number 14. from Isabela. Controlling the ball by Bing Bang Boys, number 22. Pass to number 23 by Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22, 5, 4. Number 23, basket count. 2 points by number 23, Rola. Number 23, drive pass to Cruz. Number 23, wow! Ibang klaseng count ito ah. Number 15, basket count. Number 15, Rainbow.
15. Si Abder.
Lost ball, Bing Bang Boys. Controlling the ball by number 00. Pass to Rainbow. Not counted, rebound by number 22. Number 22 controlling the ball. What a shot by number 22. Number 00 controlling the ball. Pass to number 23. 00 again. To number 14 from Isabela. A beautiful block by Cruz. Rainbow. Pass to number 16. Lost ball. Lost ball, Bing Bang Boys. Rainbow. Yes. Number 15. 2 points. Rainbow. Controlling the ball by number 22. 22 looking for shot. Not on the rebound by number 16. To number 00 nagpapadali. Yes! It's a mid-logical shot by kasama foul. Foul number 23. Bonus to by number 00. Ready for rebound. Basket count.
Galing ni Joanna.
Score 11-4.
Yeah, foul counted.
Marco number 28. Not counted.
Olan.
Basta mahaba ang buhok, bihirang ipasa yun. Basket count. Number 28. Another shot. Bing Bang Boys. 6-11. Favor of number 11. Number 00 pass to number 16. Rainbow again. Wow. Rebound by number 3 pass to Cruz. Richard Cruz. Lost ball.
Nanonood na ako, hindi ko naman din.
Lost ball number 00.
I saw it. Yeah.
Controlling the ball by Cruz. Number 2 tumira ng 2. But not on the rebound by number 14. From Isabela. From Isabela, pass to loose ball. Controlling the ball by number 28. Number 28 drive. Pass to Cruz. Not counter rebound by number 23. Pamangkin ni Michael Jordan. Not counter rebound by number 23 again. Churi na naman to ni Jordan. Cruz. Pass to number 3. Not counter rebound by number 22. Number 22 drive. May kasamang Siko. Pinasa sa referee. Yes. It's a beautiful pass. Number 22 controlling the ball. Number 22 controlling the ball. Number 22 pass to number 23 to number 28. Marco corner ups. Bagsak si Marco. Ayun na.
23, Roland. Dalawa na.
Michael Jordan, not counted by. Lost ball. Lost ball. Sino bola? Lost ball ang Goodland. Number 23 again. Not counted rebound by number 23. Number 00. Pass to number looking for 14 to number 16. Number 16 not counted. And about number 28,
Kaya mo na yan, man.
Marco crossover. Pass to number 2. Yes! It's a beautiful shot by number 2. Richard Post. Controlling the ball. Pass to number 23. To number 16, Boyat. Yes! Big man sa Senado, hindi mapigilan. Drilo. No, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Ayan, nakaka po sa number 14 to number 00. Yes! Ibang klase talaga ang laruan ng Isabela to number 00. Malayo pa po pinanggalingan sa number 14 from Isabela. Number 2 controlling the ball. Pass to Marco. Number 28 drive is steeping the line. Pass to number 23. Not on the rebound by Cruz. Ayun na si Cruz. Richard Cruz drive. What a shot! Parang sinadya. To number 14. Time out! Goodland. Oh, time out Bimbang. Okay, back to the burger. Drive by number 22, basket count. Controlling the ball by number 00. Number 00 looking for the ball to number 16. Boya. Pass to Cruz. Ayun naman si Cruz. Advance, yes! It's a beautiful layup by Cruz. Number 23 control the ball. Not on the rebound by number 14. Yes. Beautiful shot by number 14 from Isabela. Number 23. Control the ball by number 23. Looking for Cruz. To Marco. Pass to Boya. Nakatapos number 00. Lipad. Yes. Ganda po ng laban. I-score po natin ay 21-14.
Kada quarter, isa lang. quarter, pwede yung timeout doon, pwede yung kero.
Sa court.
Not on the rebound by Rainbow number 15 to number 23. Number 23 controlling the ball by number 23. Pass to number 00. Controlling the ball, 15 seconds to shoot. Basket count by number 23, Rolando.
23-14.
His score, 23-14 in favor of 23. Oops! Trobra! Ang galing po ng ating referee. Isang sulyap lang kita agad. Number 00 controlling the ball. Pass to number 16 to Remba. Not counted. Ayan na po si number 22. Number 22, drive. Not on the rebound by Remba. Ayan na po si Rolando. Rolando. Pass to number Isabela. Basket count. Galing talaga ni Isabela. Whoops. May kasamang foul.
Tatlo ka na, Roland.
Foul number 23. Pushing foul. Number 28, drive. Basket count. Ibang klase talaga number 23. Kung hindi yun na-shoot, sayang ang tato. 12 seconds. Good ball. 3, 2, 1. That's the end of first quarter. His score, 25-16. People of Goodland.
Rep! Wala.
Okay, back to the ball game. Magpapasalamat tayo sa ating sponsor, Kirkland, Litter Spring, and Coconut Water.
Dito. Kakapalit lang lang, kakapalit lang. Pinagtap ko lang ako. Dito.
Sponsor natin sa ito, Jelly.
Okay na.
Number 34, control the ball. Pass to number 11. To number 8. Oops! May kasama foul. Foul number 20. With Santo. First personal foul by Chris Santo. Wow, naagaw ni Piso. Pass to Chris Santo. Oops! Na-intercept to number 8. Number 34 controlling the ball, number 34. Pass to number 11. 11 drive. Whoops! Nabitawan mo lang. Good. Loose ball. Loose ball po ang Bing Bang Boys. Ayan na po ang Goodland. Controlling by Piso. Number 13. Pass to GR. GR controlling the ball. Pass to Piso. Piso, pass to number 5. Loose ball. Five seconds to shoot. 3. Knock on the rebound by number 1. Controlling the ball by number 1. Catalina. Pass to number 4. Not on the rebound by GR. Ang taas po ng lipad ni GR. Ayan na mo si number 5, Tules. Wow! Bagsak si Tules. Control by number 4. Number 4 controlling the ball. To number 8, to Crisanto. Basket count. It's a beautiful jump shot by number 8. Crisanto tumira. Piso-piso. Paso GR. Crisanto tumira na 3. Bang! 2 points! Crisanto! Ang kintab ng ulo mo. Yes! Bumawi agad ng 3 points. 3 points? 2 points. 2 points lang. 2 points only. So piso-piso. Piso-piso. Not on the rebound by number 8. Ayan po si number 8. Number 8, number lumarangkada ang number 8. Turn around. Bang! Ang ganda na turn around sa number 8. Pag makashoot, ang ganda ng takbo. Piso-piso, paso number 20. Number 20, Kevin Santo. Paso number piso-piso. Ayan na po si GR. Sumira na 2. Basket count! Wala na, uminit na talaga ang Goodland. Sherwin number 4. Sherwin! Bang! Muntik na maipit si Sherwin. Piso-piso, paso number 1. Basket count! Grabe. Ibang klase itong player sa Goodland na parang Celtics Boston. Number 24, pass to number 11. So number 8, good ball.
Meron yan.
Number 1 to number 4. Oops, na-intercept po. Naaga ulit ni Sharon. Not on the rebound by number 20. Ayun na po si Tolets. Tolets! Basket count. Woo! Score 36-22. Favor number 1, turn around. Whoops, may kasama foul. Foul number 1.
Ano
Good
po,
luck.
paano i-assist mo dito? Walang score eh. Pipindutin mo ba?
Automatic na yan.
Automatic ba o ano?
Hindi, ano yan na simple kahit pumasok.
Ah, pipindutin mo lang.
Oo, yan.
Ano yung score na?
Bali,
Basket count.
32-36.
36 yung, ano, good luck.
Yes! Kompleto po ang ating bonus to sa number 1.
Yan sa bank bank.
Cadilera.
36-24.
Control na po by number 3. Piso-piso, pass to number 1. Oops! Na-interrupt. Piso-piso again. Piso-piso, pass to number 1 to number 5. Basket count. Little. Tulad sa oops. Grabe. Ang bilis ng movement sa number 20. Control the ball. Number 20 tumira na 3. Not counted. Rebound by number 1. Cadelena drive pass to number 8. Whoops. May kasama foul. Foul. Ano foul? Number 8. GR.
Okay ka na, 6.
Yeah, okay na, man.
24.
Yeah.
Yes. Basket count. Last row. Ready for rebound. Yes, complete po ang ating bonus to. Number 8, kill. Control the ball. GR, pass to number 20 to GR again. Tumira. Basket count ni GR. GR. Number 8 to number 1, yes. Basket count by number 1, Cadilera.
40-28.
Muntik na magkapalit ng mukha. Bang! Grabe. Ang lakas. Ayan na po si number 24. Blocked by number 20. To number 24 again.
Ito rin si Jay. Pinasa sa kalaban.
Iron number 5, Tunes. Not on the rebound by number 8. Pass to Sherwin to number 34. Yes! It's a beautiful shot. And score, 40-30. Lamang pa ng 10 ang Woodland.
Punta pa nanonood ako.
Peso number 2. Trouble. Troublation by number 13, Piso. Ang galing po ng ating referee ngayon, magagaling. Mabilis ang mata. Number 8 controlling the ball. Number 8, whoops! Turn around. Not to the rebound. Good ball. Rebound by number 8. Whoops! By Kasama foul. Foul number 24. GR. Two personal foul by GR. Number 8 again. Whoops! May kasama foul.
Penalty red.
Penalty. Number 20 foul. Not counted. Last throw. Ready for rebound. Yes. And score. 31-30. Tres Santo. Pass to number 1. To Piso. Not on the rebound by number. Ayan na po si number 11. A beautiful. Oops. Good ball. Woodland, loose ball. Number 5. Not on the rebound. Oops. Loose ball. Five seconds to shoot. 2, 1. That's the end of second quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Woodland ball. Number 00 controlling the ball, pass to number 23. To number 16. Whoops! May kasama foul. Foul number 1. Bing bang. Foul number 14. No, bing bang. Bing bang number 14. Not counted. Not counted. Rebound by number 14. Basket count. Ang lakas talaga sa number 14. Miguel from Isabela. Ang layo pang pinanggalingan. Sumakay pa ng Premier Lines. Michael! Basket count! Grabe ang taas ng load jump pa.
Paano dadagdagan yung quarter?
Ito.
Number 23. Pastor Isabela! Grabe! That's a blind pass. Ang tawag nun, blind shoot. Marco! May kasama foul. Foul.
It's foul, it's foul.
Foul number 15. Rimba. Huwag na kayo magligramo. Bayad yung referee natin. Huwag kayo magligramo.
Basket. 44 na yung dito.
Not on the rebound by number 16. Pass to number 23. 23 na po sa number 23. 23. Pops!
Bang bang, 26. Good.
Bang 26. Foul. Number 00. Looking for number 23. 23. Bang! Ibang klase talaga number 23. Grabe. Number 23. Foul number 16. Rebound by number 28. Wow! Ibang klase talaga ba sa mga pambuhok. Number 00 controlling the ball. Number 23. Rimba. Pass to number 23 to Isabela. Yes! Ibang klase talaga taga Isabela. Taga Isabela. Bagsak number 23. Basket count by number 8.
Uy, hindi ko na guys ako.
Hi, Richard.
Number 8 controlling the ball by number 8.
Huwag ka na magalit, Richard. Tao na.
Number 26. Rebound by number 8. Number 23. Oops! Nakagawa sa number 23. Oops! Foul! 26 foul. Pussy. Pak.
Warning for penalty.
1 for penalty. Bing bang. Miguel number 14 to number 16. Oops! Miguel to number 00 is a beautiful block. Pero may kasama foul. Foul number 14. Penalty. Not counted. Basket count.
49-38.
The score 49-38. Number 38, pass to number 26. Not on the rebound by number 1. Turn around. Not on the rebound by number 14. Number 14 controlling the ball. Number 14. Number 00. And na-intercept sa number 1. Number, oops, may kasama foul. Foul number 14. From Isabela, Miguel. Marco, pass to number 1. Yes! It's a beautiful shot by number 1. Wala na, nagkanakawa na ng score dito. Knock on the rebound by number 8. Pass to number 14. Number 14 na inops. Na-intercept po sa number 23. Number 00, control po number 00 to number 16. Not counted. Post foul rip. Number 28. Tagilid ang ring. Yes, basket count.
Dalawa.
Isa. Number 28, Marco, controlling the ball. Pass to number 8. Wow! It's a beautiful shot by number 26. Number 26 is a beautiful shot. Remba. Not on the rebound by number 8. To number 14 to number 1. Basket count. They score 50-44. Favor of Goodland. Not on the rebound by number. Controlling by number 00. To Rembato. Yes! 20! Foul, number 28. Hinampas ang ulo. Substitution. Bonus throw by Miguel from Isabela. Not on the rebound by number 28. Number 28 control the moves. Number 28 pass to bagsak number 23. Offensive foul.
Magaling si Rolas sa ganun.
Substitution.
Personal foul si
Marco, third personal foul. Score. Yes. Basket count by number 23, Rolando. Ay, that was the number 22 to control the ball. Control the ball by 22 to number 14 to Maylana 3. Not on the rebound by number 00. Number 00 controlling the ball. Number 00. Yes! Miguel! Ang galing na mapasahan. Number 00 again. Time out! Bing bang!
Wala na time out. Wala na time out.
That's the end of third quarter. Score 56-44. Favor of Goodland. Okay, back to the ball game.
Smoke ka dyan? Oo, tinuro na. May nga, Hindi ko tinuro.
Hindi, kaka 0-0.
Alam ko hindi abot eh.
Malaki yung daliri.
Hindi abot ang pangunawa.
Okay, back to the ball game. Not to the rebound by Gia. Control the ball by Crisanto. Peso. Crisanto. Gia. Crisanto again. To number 1, Derrick Rose. Huh? Foul number 11. Crisanto. Control the oops. May kasama foul. Foul number 2. Tinuhod. Binigyan ng tuhod.
Nananakit talaga si Richard.
Marte lang eh.
Basket count. Sino pa? 2-0. Crisanto.
Two shots.
2 shot. First rule, no rebound. Basket count. Dala-dala ang remote.
Wala mag-shot up.
Abot si Chris, abot ko alam ko.
2 basket.
Teka.
Rebound by number 22. Ay naman si number. So number 22 again. 22 again. Piso controlling the ball. Pass to Gia. Crisanto. Not on the rebound by loose ball. Number 28. Whoops, may kasama foul.
Who's foul rep? 24.
24, GR. Third personal foul by GR.
High score, 40-40.
56-44.
Naked off, grabe. Muntik na magkapalit ng mukha. Piso. Pass to number 1, Crisanto. To number 5. Not on the rebound by Derrick Rose. Grabe. Number 5. Basket count. Bagasi talaga ang number 5. Magalingan sa nakawan. Number 2. Control the ball. Ayun na. Uy! Foul number 5. Bagsak ang number 5. Rebound by Derrick Rose. Piso. Basket count.
Naibigay na.
Naibigay na.
Red, time out sila ha. Big bang ha. Big bang.
Number 28. Whoops!
Time out.
Back to the building. Yes! Ayan, 2 points, prepare. 2 points, 2 points. Cruz! Yes! It's a beautiful shot by Cruz. Crisanto, pass to piso-piso. Gia. Crisanto drive. Not on the rebound by Derrick Rose. Loose ball, Derrick Rose. Controlling the ball. Good ball. Controlling by Cross. Richard Cruz, pass to number 22, drive, pass to Cruz, turn around, back, ni Cruz. Piso, yes.
Grabe, kinasaktan niyo talaga si Richard. Kinasaktan niyo si Richard.
Whoops. What's the rip? Foul, Derrick Rose. Time out. Good lad. Okay, back to the building. Piso, controlling the ball. Pass to Crisanto. GR. Crisanto again. Loose ball, bing bang. Piso. To number 16. Boyet, tumira na dos. Not on the rebound by. Rebound by number 8, pass to Piso. Piso. Yes! 2 points by Piso. Number 1, yes! Bumawi agad si number 1. Number 1, Bing Bang Boys, Cadelena, 2 points. Number 16, GR controlling the ball. To number 8. Ayan na po si number 8. Controlling the ball. Pass to number 34. To number 1. Yes! It's a beautiful shot by number 1, Cadelina. Bing Bang Boys. Number 16, Boyet. Controlling the ball. GR tumira na 2. Not on the rebound by number 22. Number 1 again. Not on the rebound by number 22. Bang. Yes. It's a beautiful body shot. Piso controlling the ball by Piso. Pass to number 24 to Derrick Rose.
10 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds to shoot. Cruz. Not on the rebound by the mate. Pass to number 34. Not on the rebound again. Rebound ups to number 20. Good ball. Ay na po si Crisanto. Crisanto control the ball. Pass to Piso Piso. Ten seconds to shoot. Yes! It's a beautiful jump shot by Piso Piso. Marcon. Oops! Control the ball. Micah Salom. Post foul rep. Number 24. Penalty. Penalty. Nakakalito kasi dalawang kalbo. Yes! Basket count by number 1. Kompleto ang ating bonus through ni number 1. Cadelea. Whoops! 9 receivers number to that. Marco, turn around. Pass to number, yes! Basket count by number 24. Score! Time out! Goodland. 8 na lang po ang lamang.
Wala, dagang 5 minutes.
60-68. Favor of Goodland.
Ano ka rin eh?
Huwag kayong malimot, both team. This is the final quarter. Final quarter. Goodland versus Bingbang. Final quarter. Walo na lang lamang sa ating kalaban. Goodland 8 points ahead. Kayang-kaya pa yan. Oops! Foul, number 3. Kinampas ang ulo.
Ang bilis pinaul agad eh. Paano ko hindi ko pa nga namimindot eh. Yan o. Pininutut ko na.
Ayan na. Oops! Foul. Foul number 23. Penalty.
Push shots! Hoy, Entot! Kwento ka ng kwento! Sorry.
Wala. Mayroong mati-terminate dito na repair eh. Lastro, ready for rebound. Yes, basket count. Ayun na po, number 26 control the ball. Pass to number 23. 23 pass to number 26. Not counter. Rebound by. Oops! Na-intercept sa number 22. Tumiral 3. Yes! 3 points! 3, 2, 1. Basket count.
Basket?
The score 65-70. In the winner today, Goodland. Maraming salamat, Bingbang Boys.